Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video I am going to be swatching some of the new gel polishes that we have available, and I'm so excited. This is how they look close up. I will do some close-up shots as well for you guys, of course, because this camera angle is not the best. I've literally just got you guys on my desk. They are so gorgeous. They are launching very soon, or they might be launched, so if they are already available I will be sure to link them down below for you guys so you can go and check them out. But yeah, I'm going to be swatching them all. There are 2, 4, 6, 7 colours in total, so I hope you enjoy this video.
I'm always doing the most, finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back, let it swing right back.
And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and also share it as well. I will be forever grateful if you guys can do that. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you loved watching me swatch the gels. I love the colours. Let me know which one is your favourite. I think mine is Purple Rain, but I also love Sleepover as well. It's a super cute hot pink. I say hot pink, but like a Barbie pink. It's really, really pretty, but Purple Rain is just such a vibrant, like bright purple. Yeah, let me know down below which one was your favourite. And as always, please remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different, because you've got this, and I love you. Mwah. Bye.